The easiest do-it-yourself postcard display. Hi, and welcome again to the Frugal Studio. It's been a while, and for that, please accept my apologies. Anyway, I needed a do-it-yourself, cheap, portable card display for my postcards. As you can see, I researched the net for such a display. The do-it-yourself displays I found were expensive, heavy, and time-consuming to build. The display I needed had to be cheap, that is frugal, because I wanted to leave it with my customers and it was unlikely to be returned. Anyway, the other day, I was staring off into oblivion as usual, and I found my eyes resting on a file box on my counter. Something clicked in my head, and a really brilliant idea formed. I wanted a 4-tier display for my cards, so I designed a pattern that I could trace on both sides of this file box. Incidentally, the stable structure already existed. It will elevate the cards for good viewing, and I didn't have to construct anything. It was already there. This is so easy. All I had to do was cut out the slots to hold the cards. By the way, there are more Frugal Studio projects coming, so please subscribe to my channel and enjoy the upcoming projects. Give a thumbs up or take a minute to leave a comment. Anyway, I made a pattern and traced it on both sides of the file box. I cut the pieces out and whoopee! I had a 4-tier display. I attached a sales graphic to the front of the display side and folded open the file box. The file box even comes with folding instruction. This really works, and it works well. As you can see, the postcards fit perfectly. This display cost all of $4, and with the pattern, takes all of 10 minutes to make. I'm pretty sure this design will work for your cards, etc. So have a great display and a great day. And again, many thanks for watching. There are more Frugal Studio projects coming, so please subscribe to my channel and enjoy the upcoming projects. Give me a thumbs up, or even take a minute to leave a comment. Have a great day and keep the creative juices flowing.